we would now like to go ahead and tell you what a tawheed is. Yeah, tawheed is to make something uniquely one, absolutely uniquely one, not something which is made up of different components. For instance, our brothers from the Nasraniyah, they say that Allah Azza wa Jal is three in one in three. Yeah. So, which is what we are denying, and we are saying that Allah Azza wa Jal is not one in three or three in one. Allah Azza wa Jal is just unique and absolutely one. Yeah, which is why tawheed means wahada yuwahidu tawheedan. Wahada shay, afrada shay, to make something absolutely unique, to make something absolutely one and unequivocally one. So that's what tawheed actually is lexically. Yeah, definition of it, lexical definition of it. And the technical definition of at-tawheed is ifradullahi bidhatihi wa af'alihi wa sifatihi wa asma'ihi wa sifatihi. Ifradullahi bidhatihi wa af'alihi wa asma'ihi wa sifatihi. So we are going to single out Allah Azza wa Jal that He not only does exist, also there is no one like Him. Laisa kamithlihi shay. There is no one unto like Him. Similarly, wa af'alihi, the kind of duties Allah Azza wa Jal discharges, the kind of disposition Allah Azza wa Jal has, and the kind of taking control Allah Azza wa Jal does, no one else can come anywhere near Allah Azza wa Jal, leave alone equaling Him. Yeah. So likewise, the names and attributes of Allah Azza wa Jal are absolutely unique, which is why we are not going to, compare anyone with anyone's names especially with the names of Allah Azza wa Jal.